Yo, what is up guys, it's the Great Penguin Gamer here, and welcome to the fourth part of the Beginner's Roblox Scripting Tutorial Series. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys about something called functions. So before I tell you what functions are about and explain you to them and how to code them, all that stuff, my first anniversary just happened recently. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, and I saw that you guys didn't watch my live stream. It was but not gonna lie, it was pretty bad. So yeah. I don't care. It's okay. At least I got a few subscribers from it. Nice. And one more thing. I saw you guys watch the variables video a lot more than my properties video. Don't do that, guys. Like, you're supposed to watch, like, the older ones before the new ones. And the older ones should get more views. Like, why aren't they getting more views? Just please. I understand that you like my third video more. But just suffer and watch my second and first video, okay? Like, it means a lot to me. And it means a lot to you to like understand the scripting stuff. So anyways, I should just shut up and start doing the scripting. So I'm gonna explain to you what functions are. So basically, functions are like another way of simplifying code. It's a way of like repeating code over and over instead of like having to create a variable and just type in like variable.transparency equals 1 over and over and over again. Like no, you could actually do stuff with like functions. And so I'm going to show you here. So there's two ways to start creating a function. So you could do local function, just like a variable. Just my bad. Or I could just do, accidentally created a function. Okay, or I could just do function. I just prefer to go with function because it's better. And hey, it just works the same, okay, guys? So function, and then just type, so just like a variable, you just type in what you want to name your function here. And again, you can't type numbers. And again, you just can't type in this. Okay, like you can't type in quotation marks. Okay, guys. What you could do, and if you can't do like spaces, okay. I don't think you could do spaces. Yeah. So, anyways, I should do my function, and then press enter, and here you got an end. So this is what is called a block of code. So basically, there's also an indent here. So I recommend using the indent because if I like type in script.parent.name equals to that. Well, I think it works. I just prefer to be like Windows PowerShell thing. Just don't pop up, okay? Yeah, I just prefer to make it indented because it's neater. And anyways, there's also you can also type in stuff between the parentheses. So basically, what you could type in the parentheses is called parameters. Parameters are like variables inside a function. Like you can't use them anywhere else in setting up the function. So I'm gonna show you some examples of parameters. So part, comma, transparency. Okay, so basically the part this is like referencing the part, and this is referencing the transparency number. If you watch my variables video, you get what I mean. And basically, what you want to do is part dot. Okay, and if you don't see anything like coming up here, it's okay. It's just it doesn't know what the part is yet, so it's not listing properties. Transparency equals to transparency. Yep. And now you want to go in and type in my function, and then yeah, that's it. Wait, no, that's not it. What am I talking about? And inside the parentheses, you gotta type in what you're actually referencing for the parameters. So for the part, you're referencing script.parent. It's always in order. So you're referencing the part first, and then you're referencing transparency number, and then I just set it to 1. So okay, so basically, okay, so let's go and run it. And now it's transparent. See, there you go. And I don't know why it's still loading. Yep, it's not loading anymore. And okay, let's stop this. Okay, so basically what you saw is that once you type in the my function, you gotta put parentheses over there, and I just reference the parameters inside, and inside the function is just referencing what you do inside, what the code does inside the function. Oh, by the way, you type in this outside the function. So just if you type in my function, wait a minute, that's not right. Okay, I think you can like do that. Yeah, you can do that, but it'll be kind of confusing. I don't know what happened. Anyways, yeah, so basically, so you might be thinking, like, why can't I just type in local part equals to script.parent and it just part dot transparency equals to 1. Like, why can't you do that? Okay, so basically, that's the simple way of doing it, but it's also like you can't just repeat yourself over again. Like, say you want to change it multiple times, then you want to use a function because they're simpler, and besides, you could change the referencing easier. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what the functions can do. The last thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna create my function again, and part transparency, and then do end. Okay, let me just think. Oh, okay, so you do part dot transparency equals to transparency. Yep, just do that. And you could do my function. Oh, my function. And then you type in that script dot parent. Yeah, this is all stuff you might know by now. If you didn't just skip the video, if you just happen to join in and just skip to this part, yeah. And you could do a wait 1 second. So basically, the wait function in Lua is you could type in wait and parentheses, and inside the parentheses, this is an amount of seconds you type in, and this is supposed to be a number. Yeah, number. That's obvious. And you could do my function again. And you could do script.parent. You could just reference the same thing. Wait, let me try something. Okay, you could just type in that. So let me just go in there. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's acting kind of sus. So you gotta reference the part all the time. Okay. So I thought like you could just reference it and then just leave it on its own. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Sorry, guys. Sorry if there's a bunch of errors. I'm pretty noob at coding. Not gonna lie. And then just for a split second there, it was just transparent, then turn back. Okay, so anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and ring that bell if you want to watch more scripting tutorials. And if you have any questions, just type it in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. And I just said I'm pretty noob at coding, so if you have any like advice, just type it in the comments. But not you, Spaghetti, please. You're kind of weird with your comments. But anyways, once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.